It could be torture time for me again. Sarah's asked me to unbox her new 1/16 scale CXD D12 Mini, and I decided not to get one for myself.
You and Matthew had your chance. We all love the bigger version of this truck, the WPL D12. If the Mini is half as much fun, I'll be happy.
Let's have a look at what we've got here.
It looks very cute. It may look a bit small for a 1/16 scale truck, but apparently it is true to scale.
The hand controller's a little on the small side, but feels okay. I have got big hands. It's got dual rate throttle and steering trim. It really does look like a mini version of its big brother. Here are the instructions. Have we got English? Yes, we have. It comes with a 500 mAh lithium-ion battery.
That's probably the spare battery I ordered.
So what have we got in here? I'm hoping for a free screwdriver. Bingo!
You can have it. It'll make a nice addition to the set you got in a Christmas cracker.
In here we've got wipers, wing mirrors, stickers, etc. and the charging cable. We've got an on-off switch on the underside. The suspension feels fine. It's not the same fancy setup as the big D12 though.
You're not trying to break my truck, are you? And you can stop poking it around.
Looks like the battery goes in here. It takes just 2 AA batteries. And I get to use my new screwdriver. Let's switch it on. It has proportional steering and proportional throttle. And this is the button to change the throttle rate.
Let's take it for a quick spin.